Peripheral nerve cells can be easily damaged, and treatment of these injuries can be complex and costly, and if it's not offered rapidly, these injuries can become worsened or even permanent. Historically, replicating the conductivity of nerve cells is difficult, and these nerve regeneration therapies are often ineffectual and non-specific. But what if you could focus on producing a material to act as scaffolding for these therapies? Well, that's our goal on BionExe. This composite material needs to be conductive, biocompatible, flexible, and strong.
We are designing a biocomposite material that should be ideal for this application. To do this, we will be combining reduced graphene oxide with a synthetic silk protein grown in bacteria. We're targeting graphene because it has amazing potential to increase the conductivity of this material, and silk because it's strong, lightweight, and vitally biocompatible. We're utilising Exeter E. coli to synthesize this silk protein based on major ampulate spidroin domains that are from spider silk proteins.
In the future, our composite material could be used as a scaffold for nerve regeneration and tendon repair, serving as an excellent tool for a wide range of healthcare fields. By acting as a scaffold, our material could help reduce healing times following tendon reconstruction, which currently takes up to 9 months, getting people up and moving sooner and potentially improving recovery outcomes. Additionally, by producing recombinant silk in E. coli, we are able to retain all the benefits of natural spider silk while removing any of the ethical concerns, such as the use of animal products in manufacturing our composite or the existence of spider farms, which have historically proven to be ineffective and inhumane.
We hope that our work on BionExe will provide a step forward into utilising materials from the future to solve problems of the present.